guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Libras. Before we start the reading, Libras, I would like to wish you all a very happy new year. I hope this year brings lot of happiness, success and prosperity in our lives, Libras. So let's start with the daily reading. So these cards are for your daily reading, Libras. For your relationship and career situation, I'll be picking cards. So this is for your career situation, Libras, and this is for your relationship, guys. So let's see what are the cards for your daily reading. First, it's the Chariot, Initiate of Moons in reverse, and Six of Suns in reverse. So with these cards, guys, in your situation, Libras, you are facing lots of struggles in your situation, guys. Some obstacles, it may be in your career or in your personal life, something worrying you. There are people who are trying to deceive you, work against you, opposing you in some ways. They are cunning and they just want to make use of your skills and talents. So they are not to be relied on, guys. You have to be really careful today with that person. So they may lead you into something, get you caught in some kind of a fraudulent activity. You have to be quite careful with that person, guys. And also in your, it may be someone in your career or personal life, and they are not to be trusted, Libras. They may pose as your friend, and in truth they are not that. They don't have that true concern on you. They are simply jealous, and they may betray you, guys. So you have to be really careful with that person. So, and also some kind of delays in your work, that is also what I see, guys. But whatever your situation is, Libras, all that troubles you are going to overcome, guys. So you will find that balance in your situation, that right action, the right path, the right choices to see things go in a perfect way. So that is what I see with these cards, guys, for your daily reading. For your career situation, it's Seven of Stars. So with this card in your career situation, guys, I see that things are slowly falling into place, guys. You are just finding that relief, and in your troubling times you have that glimpses of hope in your situation. All that troubles you are facing till now, so all that are slowly disappearing, and you are progressing towards your dreams. It may be impossible dreams that you have, but you are going towards that. All that obstacles or difficulties you are facing, you will get relief from that situation, guys, Libras. So let us see what is the card for your relationship. It's Ace of Suns in reverse, guys. So this may be what you feel about this person or what they feel about you. So in this relationship, this person may be finding fault with you. Some kind of arguments or stressful situations may be there, and you should think clearly, guys, whether you need this connection, because this person may not have that understanding with you, and something is collapsing in this connection and in this relationship. Though you have love for this person, or though you want to make this connection work, this person is not in for this connection or in for this love. So maybe for some of you, you have to think clearly before proceeding, guys, with this connection. That is what I see with these cards, Libras, and that is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching this video. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.